Hello friends, welcome to the story The Little Seed's Great Journey. If you enjoy our stories, please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. Many more fun and inspiring stories are coming your way. A tiny sunflower seed, no bigger than a grain of dust, rests gently in a gardener's palm. It looks ordinary, almost invisible, yet inside it holds limitless potential. Warm golden sunlight touches the seed, quietly hinting at the miracle waiting to unfold. With care and patience, the gardener places the small seed into rich, fertile soil. The earth slowly closes around it, and the world above fades away. This is the seed's first step into a long and meaningful journey. Below the surface lies a hidden world. Small stones, tangled roots, and winding tunnels fill the darkness. The seed lies still, surrounded by silence, waiting for the right moment to awaken. Above the ground, birds peck at the soil, searching for food. Their shadows pass over the earth, creating tension and danger. Safely buried below, the seed remains protected for now. Underground, earthworms wriggle through the soil, creating tunnels and gently bumping into the seed. The movement is unsettling, but the seed holds on, learning to endure and adapt. Suddenly, something changes. A tiny white root pushes out from the seed. This delicate root reaches downward, searching for water and anchoring the seed firmly in place. Life has begun. Encouraged by the growing roots, a small green sprout pushes upward. It struggles through the heavy soil, inch by inch, until it finally breaks through the surface and meets sunlight for the very first time. Rain gently falls, soaking into the ground. The roots drink deeply, carrying water and nutrients upward. Each drop strengthens the young plant and fuels its growth. Strong winds blow and rain taps against the leaves. The young plant bends and sways but does not break. Every challenge makes it stronger and more resilient. Slowly, the leaves unfold toward the sun. Inside them, sunlight is transformed into energy, powering the plant's growth. An invisible miracle is happening with every passing day. Time passes and the plant grows taller and sturdier. Its roots spread deeper into the earth and its stem thickens, standing firm against the elements. At the top of the plant, a small green bud forms. It turns toward the sun each day, quietly promising the beauty that is yet to come. One morning, the bud opens. Bright yellow petals unfurl in a radiant display. A magnificent sunflower stands tall, glowing with life as bees gather and the garden comes alive. As the sun sets, the sunflower stands proudly in golden light. Once a tiny seed hidden beneath the soil, it is now a symbol of strength, beauty, and resilience. Within it are new seeds, each ready to begin a journey of its own. If you like this story, please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel.